Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your birthday date from your Facebook profile. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open up the Facebook app and tap on the profile. Tap on the menu icon. Tap on your profile and tap on Edit Public Details. Scroll a little down and tap on Edit Your About Info. And here you can see the basic info. Tap on Edit. Now you actually can't remove your birthday, but what you can do is tap on the friend of the friends and make it private. Now only you will be able to see your birthday, but there is no way to delete your birthday permanently. And hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.